We're here again!
We're going to the movies! Oh, she dropped. What is that?
Look at that, look at that.
Say hi's. You look really dead right now.
You got bags. Like under your eyes.
How could you sleep at 10 o'clock?
It's 1:33.
How could you sleep at 11 o'clock? You text me at 10:59.
I was still sleeping.
And you text her about the stupid YouTube video.
Someone's calling me.
You know that little skater kid?
So are you gonna come or what?
Which one? Which one?
What's that?
We're gonna watch 9.
Who are you talking to?
I don't wanna.
No, give it to me. Huh? Fine, don't come.
Why
what a
did you
fag bag.
Why'd you tell her?
Hello?
She hung up on me.
Why isn't she coming?
She just wanted to see 9.
And you told her we're gonna see the movie? What the f?
See, no one wants to see 9.
I do, I don't give a shit what you guys.
I want to see 9. You want to see 9? I want to see 9.
I don't care what any of you do anymore. I'm just gonna...
Tim Burton's awesome.
You about to
That movie's so watch. And we're gonna watch it. And no matter if you hate it, we're gonna make it sound like it was such an awesome movie that James and Lily and everyone else wish they had come.
Oh god. Oh god.
You got hit.
In the cojones?
Again?
No man, I'm sore as hell.
Hump him.
Oh shit.
Do you really do that stuff to your girlfriend? The funny thing is that she's older than him. We're jerks. Let's go. Ready? Ready?
We should talk.
Tell what happened, John. Tell him what happened.
You just
Oh
got
my
kicked out. You got some dumbass's fault.
Fuck up.
You're so sorry.
Yeah, we got kicked out right now.
No, that was before. The phone thing was the thing that blew us off
The
completely.
phone thing?
Yeah,
Oh
the phone
yeah.
Because the messing around.
We were,
No, it was our Blanca's fault. Blanca like, let's throw phones down a little slide thing.
I was the one who said it?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my
And
God,
then I
that
went
was
to
yours.
arrest you.
No, that was you. This is you. Oh my god, let's throw phones at the TV. Because Greg went down there.
And I go like, alright, he goes down there.
And the ladies were looking. I told you. And they just went and they left. I told you they were going to go report us.
Yeah, we've got 2 ladies. Jerks. Those are for YouTube.
Oh wait.
Yeah, I hope you see this video on
The
YouTube.
security guard even gave us tips. They told us, alright, well next time just go in there and just be quiet, don't say anything. So we got tips for that.
Also, another tip to stay in there is drop dead.
Drop dead. Pretend to have a pain in your chest.
Weight resistance. Just stay there. They won't lift you up.
Say bye, John.
Resistance. He's like all of them. Oh, except for the white guy. Yeah.
Except for
Yeah,
Say
the
bye,
white
John.
guy got it.
Say bye.
Dude, you should have told them.
Say bye, say bye.
Listen.
They're not listening. Bye.